taking the kids for 3 days of riding. Wolf Pen Gap, Mena, Arkansas. So took the Ranger for us all to load up in, and then I brought this little DS90X. So Reagan and Parker, maybe even Taylor, maybe even me, can jump on it and cruise it around a little bit as well. It should be fun. Look at that, no people. That is not, oh, just seen all these little dirt baggers in the back seat. Killed my vibe. Oh my God, you guys, straight peace in the Middle East. If these guys can do it, if they can get along, you need to take a deep look at yourself and get the hate out your heart. Shoot, almost there. Oh, we found it. $235 a night, dudes. Private, nobody's around. This is where the boys are gonna be hanging out. It seems hotter in here with that fan on, Parker. Is this a bedroom?
Taylor figured out how to turn it down to 69 degrees.
Oh. Laundry room, kitchen, dining, another living room. Then they got a bathroom, another bedroom for one of the kids. Another bedroom. Pretty damn neat. Nobody that way for a few miles. Nobody that way for a few miles. Sweet. So we just hit our first water crossing back there. These kids want to swim. Look at little Reagan. You want to go swim? Yeah. I told him if we go this fast, it's going to take about 45 minutes. There, Bubba. 13 miles to Missouri Falls. Damn, guys, this is a lot. We're 4 miles in, and we probably got 30-minute drive still to go. Is that what you just said?
I think so.
We've about a 30-minute drive on. We're not gonna let a little bitty walk stop us then, I guess. Oh, look, that's nice and clear.
Daddy Longlegs. Let's look at the Daddy Longlegs.
I wish I could be getting y'all some better video right now. It's dark. But this is finally some light. Whew. Dang, Parker done climbed it. Heck yeah. No. It's pretty nice. There's a little beach over there, Buster. Teresa just got kamikaze by a dead bat.
Where is it? It's right here.
Here before it's Parker, son of a bitch. This bird headbutted Teresa to death. Kamikaze her. It's a bat.
Hey, can you get that off me?
It's still alive.
You poor guy. Oh, don't do it much.
I got to, man. I don't want him to bite you, son. He flew off into the woods over there.
He just flew off?
Yeah, I slung him into the woods when I kicked him.
No, he's right there.
Where? Holy shit.
Poor guy.
This whole bat got Teresa. We're almost back.
I can see him pretty good.
I can't see him at all. Damn, fellers. 29.5 miles to Little Missouri Falls and back. Go ahead. All right, spirit of the warrior, son. Don't scream. Oh, you didn't even try and get him. Got you this sweet book. Yeah, a bunch of rules for the most part, but as you get in here, it's got some sweet destinations. So I guess that's a bunch of rules. We'll just go to the next page. There's a whole trail map. These are all swimming holes off of Caney Creek. We went to this last night, and it was about a 48-minute drive on the Ranger, hauling. And you got bunch more stuff here. This is the first swimming hole we found. Reagan, look at the fish, boy. Come here. Look at them fish.
Somebody left their glasses here.
You scared to get in the water because of those little fishes?
No.
Okay. We got us some little fish in here, boys. So I got my handy dandy
Just go ahead. Just walk across. Right?
Harbor Freight knife here,
Everybody's all scared of the water.
making me a sweet little fishing pole.
Oh, Reagan! I'm like,
It's so cool. Come on, Buster.
come on, Parker, go, go, go.
Sorry, Taylor.
Went swimming, did a little rope swing. About 10 miles from the cabin. We're gonna save some more adventures for later on. There's a bunch of river right there. I don't think so.
Yes, it was.
Keep going. Yeah, we'll be keep looking for the people. Is that turtle over there, brother? See that head sticking up?
Is it cold still, Taylor? Nice. Glad to hear it. Barracuda! So clear. Oh my God, look at all those little fish, Taylor. Pretty amazing. No garbage trash anywhere. No garbage trash over there. No human trash anywhere. Cool. Dude, Reagan's the adventurous one. He's gonna try and go. He can go over there and grab that bear by the nutsack. Let's see. Just grab its nuts and twist, Reagan.
Be careful, Reagan.
Careful, Bubba. Them little drops are slippery right there.
It's slippery, buddy.
You see it, Parker? Where's that? Dude, you see that thing up there?
See what?
The cave. Look up there.
Can you go into it?
I mean, Reagan's gonna try,
I'll try.
but he's putting on a whole show where he's.
Oh, right there?
Yeah,
I see it.
it's pretty cool exploring, man. Is that Bio Willie? The you see the teeth on it? Slow down, boy. Driven 57.8 miles. We ain't even started on the trails yet. We've like literally been back roading everywhere. We're about to go hit the trails for the first time tonight. 3 nice bucks. There's one. There's another one. There's another one. All right, it's day 3, I guess. And we're actually hitting the trails for the first time really today. So it's supposed to be a 42-mile loop. This is the path to Narnia. Playboy Mansion's up here. What is up this brick road?
Must be really, must have a lot of runoff right there.
Wipe out,
yeah.
erosion.
Erosion, yeah, there you go. That was crazy. I've never seen that before.
A little at the edge of the trail. Shoot, that whole mountain over there, guys, pretty much on a cliff right now.
Wow.
Still climbing up. One of these, how it's like bedrock.
Right. Oh, that's so pretty. Look at the little waterfall.
I wouldn't do that, man. A bunch of bats may fly out of that bitch, Reagan.
Oh, that's scary.
You don't have to run off, just don't disturb it. So we're about, let's look at the map and see how if we've covered a quarter of what we want to do, or we're able to find the mine. This ranger's taking a whipping, guys.
Oh my goodness, boy.
Hold on. What, you going on the other side? Careful, Reagan. Little dipshit falls. Now sit down right there.
Sit your ass down, boy.
That's a cool little quad, dude.
Yeah.
There you go. I don't know if y'all can see Ray go with his sport quad into the woods over there. Look. BS90, here he goes. Look at him, dude. Solo dolo. You want to ride it to the house? Okay, hey. Get on that side of me. Wait. You gotta stay on the right side of the road, okay? Well, everybody, we're about to head home. It was an awesome place. You guys check it out. Wolfpen Gap, Mena, Arkansas. We went down to Mena for 3 nights, 4 days. A lot of fun, a lot of trail riding. Rode over 130 miles on that Polaris Ranger 1000. Let the kids ride the Can-Am 90 a little bit. Did a whole lot more swimming than we did trail riding. And we got lucky because there was enough water to do so. But next month, who knows? I want to go next time in the fall. The temperature was so much cooler than it was in Texas, just from all the shade. And didn't even get a sunburn, guys. Was swimming all week, didn't even get a sunburn. That's what I'm talking about. Give us a like and subscribe. Jump on there and pick you another one out. Do your thing. I mean, have fun. Go ahead. That's what we're here for you to watch. Thank you. And I'm sorry about the lack of trail videos because my GoPro simply overheat every time we turn it on. Once again, GoPro 9. Letting me down, letting all you guys down. The footage was useless. It's all unorganized. It's 45 seconds here, 5 minutes there. And it was just no good. So, all iPhone footage on this one, guys. Appreciate it.